Boom!
Let's get straight into this video on Aave, and if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you're subscribing because we have massive AI coins, metaverse, NFTs, etc. coming in the next few days. So Aave protocol, $35 billion up in total value locked, and this is why you guys and girls need to be very, very bullish on Aave. I could see this going to the $1,000 level very quickly. Let's get straight into the technical analysis for all of you out there because that's what you want to see. Where is this coin going, right? So we've had a exponential increase in the past month or two, and if we go to the daily, you can see a really good support level here at the $50 or so mark, and this is strong. So right now we've seen another parabola and a bit of a pullback going on, and this is normal and healthy in a bull market cycle. So the question is, where are we going and why? So let's go into the drop levels first. Now the $50 mark is a big one. Then we've got the $80 or so level, and these are all psychological levels to watch out for. So the next one is the $120 or so mark, and you guys can see, like, at the $120 or so mark, each time it goes up massively, right? Except broke down at this point. So the resistances aren't that strong at the $120 mark, but if we see a bear market, we're going down to these levels, right? Or a pullback. If Bitcoin takes off exponentially, these are going to take a hit. So you need to know about that and be very careful with that. Now, the next one that we've got here is the $180 level. Now, this is a round area here, and this is where it could bounce off of for support. And we need to see that kind of support continuously happen, because here we've got the normal market cycle, but run-ups and then retraces, then parabolic increase to retraces, and it's continuous. What we need is a bit of a retracement here and then a run upwards more. So we could see it happening like this, and this is normal. So highs, then lows at the supports, then larger levels, etc. There's my awesome drawing. Let's make it yellow. So that's what it kind of looks like in the markets. And this is what we can see it going to once more with a bullish market. But you guys want to see the price levels. So let's go in. Now, I hope you guys appreciate this. It's all off the cuff as well. I don't script any of these videos, and I don't like try to push some weird agenda like most crypto influencers do. I just want you guys to make money in the markets and be safe as possible, right? We've got the $300 round level area and the $350 or so level is another area here, and let's make these red. So make sure you guys are watching through and then take a screenshot of it, and these are the levels that you need to watch. So we've got the break up just like in the past. So this is what I mean by past price action tends to be the future again. But this time, from my perspective, I could see this going to the $1,000 level. And the reason this is because it has enough value locked to hit that level already. All it needs to see is the market cap increase in the same way. We could see here another mark at the I would say 450 psychological here. Because you guys can see there's like a break upward, but then a massive sell-off before a low. That'll be because we had a massive retracement in the markets at that time. We've got another psychological level, the 550 mark, as well as the 650 mark. So these are the macro levels for you guys and girls to watch. But like I said, we could see this going to that $1,000 level. And for that, you need to be watching the psychological marks. So the big ones here would be around the $800 mark. And again at the 900, but watching the $50 marks as well. The reason being, we haven't gone this far. Now you guys could do Elliott wave theory, etc. to explain this, but the best way to do this, because this is a market where you can see massive highs and things overshoot like crazy a lot, especially when the market cap changes exponentially, you could see this going to those levels. And I would say $1,000 is a really round level for having $35 billion of liquidity in Aave. So it's just got to reflect on the market cap. And right now we've got the market cap sitting at $5.2 billion. I would say that that's way lower than it should be. Like I said, the total value locked is not the same as the market cap, but it should be reflective of it. And you've seen this with other coins like XRP, etc., where they've gone up exponentially because the market cap's just shot up and the valuation of it has shot up as well. Now, this is one of the coins that go up in the background that you need to be watching. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys take a screenshot of this and make sure you guys are subscribed with notifications on. We're going through these videos for you guys and girls for bullish picks in the market every single day. So stay tuned.
What we have seen right now is the retracement after the $500 mark, and it really needed a huge correction after this $500 mark because it hadn't had a real big correction this whole time. It has been surging like crazy, and to the $500 mark was actually a very good place to sell. So a lot of people in the trading group did this. I did this myself, and I also traded a little bit of the volatility going up and down in these positions. So now we've seen the awesome retracement of Aave in general, and now we're ready for another leg up, as you guys can see here. A very good 30 to 50% retracement has gone on, as you guys can see. Now we're ready to surge back up to the $1,000 mark. Now most people would just say this is going to the $1,000 level, but I'm gonna give you guys enough proof and wisdom and experience that this is absolutely going to the $2,000 level in the very near future. The reason I say this is fundamentally looking at it, pretty much the only one that's named as a decentralized exchange and borrowing liquidity protocol. You guys can do different forms of transactions without needing a person involved in this. Add on to the fact that it is rank 17 and you have the recipe for something very, very awesome. I mean, look at how many people have it on their watch list. But the important part of this first part is this. If you go onto the website, you guys will see there is nearly $5 billion in liquidity in this protocol. To understand this is key here because this is a majority of why this needs a huge price spike upwards.